Good morning, children. This is our English literature class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter 19, The Farmer. And this is at page number 76. Children, follow your book and read the story. Here is a picture of a farmer. He is plowing his field. He works hard from morning to evening. He has to do a lot of work to get his corn. The day may be warm, wet, or cold, but the farmer goes on working. So, children, plowing means shifting the soil, that is, making the field ready for growing crops. And corn is here crop. So, children, from this page, we have come to know that farmer is the hardworking person. He works very hard, ignoring the weather or whatever may be the weather, cold, warm. Okay, the farmer works hard to produce the crops. Next page. At first, he has to clean up his field. He picks up all the dry plants and leaves and burns them. Then he plows the field and shows the sheets. He is happy when there is plenty of rain. So, children, at first he has to make the field properly for growing the crops. He has to make the field ready for the crops. Okay, so for this he has to burn the dry leaves. Okay, and then he plows the field and then he shows the seeds and wait for a good rain, for plenty of rain. The farmer has to, as you know, that seedling come out when there it needs water. Okay, water. So rain is very important for farmer for growing crops. The farmer has to watch his growing crop all the time. Sometimes there is a storm. If the plants do not have firm roots, they may fall down. Some worms and birds harm the plants. The birds sit on the plants and eat up the corn. When the corn is quite ripe, the farmer cuts it. So, children, growing crop is not very easy. Okay, in fact, it is very tough. A farmer has to take care of his crop every time. All the time he looks for his crop. If there is a storm, the plants may fall, or if some worms and birds may harm the plants. Okay, so he have to look after his crop properly. And after this tough work, when the corn is ripe, the farmer becomes very happy. Then he brings it, next page. Then he brings it home and sometimes put it in a barn. He and his children are very happy when there is a good crop. The farmer grows food for all of us. We should thank him for his hard work and for the food he grows. So, children, after this hard work, when there is a good crop, farmer and his family becomes very happy. Okay, you can understand because farming is a very tough work. Okay, and the food we eat grow farmer grows the food that we eat. Okay, so we should thank farmers for the crops, for the food that we eat. So, children, from this chapter, you have come to know about the life of a farmer, how hard worker is a farmer, and how a farmer has to work, has to maintain his crop, has to look after his crop. Okay, so देखो बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में हम लोग क्या जान पा रहे हैं कि फार्मर को अपने क्रॉप्स को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने के लिए क्या क्या डिफ़िकल्टी को फेस करना पड़ता है। ठीक है, तो क्या क्या डिफ़िकल्टी होता है, कितना हार्ड वर्क ज़रूरी होता है एक फार्मर को अपने क्रॉप्स को प्रॉपरली ग्रो करने में। So children, read this chapter again and read the word meaning also. Next day I will give you question answer of this chapter and complete the exercise part of this chapter. Thank you.